Okie dokie, folks. What do we got here? Alright. She's almost dead. So let's get her ass some work. And heal her a little bit. It's kind of funny because my priest heals her for 37 every time. And that only takes 36, which I think is kind of funny. Now let's see if I get Jank, a Lank, a Rank. Yeah. See, everybody takes the Archer not so serious, but that bitch is gangster. Oh yeah, that was smart. Yeah, let's move all my guys as far away as we can from the problem. Oh, sorry about that, gangster. Level 6 priest ain't no thing to be messed with unless you're trying to get your face wet, partner. Oh no. Still no one died? Doggone it. Alright, let's do this. There we go. Doesn't everybody feel better? Aw, thanks guys. Yep, slap shots. 2, huh? That's good. Couldn't hack it at active mines. So yeah, switch to the old slap shot, huh? Yep, ass bitches. Kill. Murder death kill? Nope, not yet. Active mines, bitches. Yeah.